Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to push email notifications from Substack. To push email notifications from Substack to your subscribers, follow these steps. The first thing to do is to open the Substack web app and sign in with your credentials if prompted. Then in the left-hand main navigation menu, I'm going to show you two ways to get this done. Go ahead and click on the plus icon, which we have in there, and select either a note or long form post to create a new post, or just go ahead and select an existing post to edit. So let's say I'm making the post here, and after making this post and creating your content, so create your content, make it nice, and after creating your content, adding text, images, and any other element as needed, in the post editor, go ahead and locate the continue button that is here to reveal additional options. Now, once you click on continue, that's going to walk you into the publishing section. But before that, since I don't have any posts in here, I can just head over to settings, which is pretty much the same thing you're going to find. So you're going to see an option that says allow these to this post is for number one, everyone, and paid subscribers only. So if it is for everyone, it means you're sending it to all subscribers, but if it's for paid subscribers, you just send it to paid subscribers only. So go ahead and click on the circle right next to everyone, and once you click on everyone, it means that you're going to push the email notifications to everyone on your list. Now if you're ready to publish immediately, go ahead and click on continue, and it's going to take you to the next window, which is pretty much the same. That's the settings window, and just click on confirm post to make your publication. If you want to schedule later, you're going to find an option right there that will also allow you in the next window to schedule for later. So review the notification settings before finalizing, and once you publish or schedule the post, email notifications will automatically be sent out to your subscribers based on your selection. Another way to push notification, which I said I'm going to show you two ways. From here, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon, and from the profile icon select settings, and once you select settings, it's going to take you to the settings window where you're going to see the notification category, which we have in here. So you can push notification for likes, replies, restacks, mention, direct messages request, allow message requests from that, new followers, new recommenders, new chats, new notes, live videos.